Hey y'all, it's Saturday and I have just arrived at the Paula Deen family kitchen. You saw me yesterday. I was at Paula Deen Lumberjack and we had great fun there. If you come to Pigeon Forge, don't miss that show. Those athletes are insane. And of course, I'm here with my favorite protective police, Tim.
Hey, everybody.
How long have we been together now, Tim?
About 10, 12 years?
Oh my gosh, you're
Yes.
old.
No. Yes.
I'm not getting old, but I'm going in. I may have a little media to do, y'all. I'm not sure, but I'm going to start my book signing. You are thank you. Wear them to my brother.
Trying to get
This is all our bags. Yes. Oh, yeah. You don't have my anyway.
You tell me, you've met us
I was
multiple
born.
times.
You met us before.
This has got to my son. I'm his sister.
I'm bringing the family this time. Let's get the whole family in here. We're all this way. Okay, we'll get the whole family. Okay? Okay, guys, nice smile.
It's the right way.
Go over it. Can you get one more? You got it.
All right, Mama wants in on the money too.
Okay, here you go.
So as y'all can see, I'm back in my kitchen, and I'm baking the 12 days of Christmas cookies. And today I'm baking them with one of my favorite people, Betsy or BB for short. But like I said, I'm back home from Pigeon Forge, and I do hope you enjoyed the video. It was
all the behind the scenes.
They were all behind the scenes, weren't they, Eddie?
Yes, yeah.
And I had so much fun seeing everybody, and I want to thank all the people that came to my book signing. It was just huge, and y'all always just fill me full of your love, and I can't thank you enough for that. So, having said that, I do thank you for loving me and supporting me. And I always send y'all love and best wishes. And if you weren't at Pigeon Forge this past weekend, maybe next year you can make it. Because I had fun lighting the tree.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.